Yeah.
So guys, Best Buy.
Best Buy. We're going to Best Buy to build a gaming PC, and I'm very excited to see if it's possible. We went last time for a challenge video, and we were going to build a PC, but ended up getting a laptop instead, so I'm excited to see, can we build a PC for a good price and have everything in stock? We're about to find out, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
On a really hot day, all you want is some nice, cool air conditioning. Well, how do you think your CPU feels when you're on your 10th loss in a row in your favorite esport? Well, don't you worry, because Corsair has a solution for you. Introducing the A115 Twin Tower CPU air cooler. With its precision engineered convex copper cold plate, it will keep your thermals all in check. Alongside of it are two AF140 Elite fans that utilize Corsair Air Guide technology to give you optimal performance. It's an amazing cooler that's compatible with 3000, 4000, 5000, and 7000 series cases, mountable in the latest LGA 1700 and AM5 sockets, as well as older versions. All this, and it includes a 5-year warranty, so you know you're always in good hands. The fans are super easy to install in the cooler as well with their easy to use slide on rails. Just line them up and slide them on in. It's that simple. If you want to up your airflow and give your CPU some breathing room, then check the links down below to see if the A115 Twin Tower CPU air cooler will work for you. Thanks again to Corsair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it.
Hey guys, so we're going to Best Buy, and if it wasn't clear with the intro, because we were trying to be silly and goofy, we're going to Best Buy to try to build a gaming PC. They have PC parts at our local Best Buy. I think they have everything to build a gaming PC, but we're just kind of concerned about how expensive it's going to be. Look at that chopper.
Whoa. Dude, that's like a military.
Oh, another chopper.
Wait, one of them's dropping something.
Best Buy! Best Buy! All right guys, we made it to Best Buy. It's a gloomy day. Someone commented on one of our recent videos saying it's always gloomy where you live. I promise you it's not always this gloomy, but when we go to Best Buy, it's gloomy.
It was nice yesterday.
Yeah.
When we go to Micro Center, the sun is shining.
Yeah, the sun is shining. So we found the parts. It's all in here. So we're probably just gonna do some mental math here and
Wow, 1200K for $249.
Yeah, wait, which one are you looking at? 12,700 is 249. That's a good deal, actually. Yeah, 12,600 is 178. That's okay. But I think
At first I thought it said 7800 X3D for 178. I was like, dude, that's it.
Yeah, but 12,700 for 249 would be a good start.
Ew, why is the 1500X 239?
Z790 for 309.
Oh wait, B660? 169?
Oh, that'd be good.
Oh, that's B560. B550, I can't read.
That's B50.
Those prices actually aren't bad.
124 for some DDR5 Vengeance. That's not awful. What do we got SSD-wise? We got some Gen 4s, Crucials. That's all good. What do you think, Jonah? Should we go 7800X3D with a B650? Should we go...
I think we should do B650, 7000X3D because it's
Okay.
about the same price. You get on AM5.
You know that budget I said that was 8 to 1,000? It's probably more like 13,
That's
but
what I'm thinking.
let's do a GPU we have. Well, TI is $900. I don't know about that. That is a...
7800 XT for 519. That's
That'd
pretty
be
much
good.
MSRP.
Okay, so 7800 XT, 7800 X3D.
It's the 7800 7800 combo.
It would be a 7800 7800 combo. Okay, and then, so we got that going at least, and then SSD-wise, we can just get there's a Gen 4, there's a 2 terabyte Gen 4 for 134.
Oh my god.
It's not awful.
Where's the cheap
Oh wait,
ones
here's
at?
the SN, there, 74 bucks for a 1 terabyte Gen 4.
What the hell is Zach wearing?
Sheesh. So I guess let's see where the cases are, because I think we kind of
Here's
have
some.
the basis of the build.
Look,
Okay.
they have
Wait, this one has the pre-installed fans too. This is the 4000
LED.
RGB.
coolers. And power
And
supplies.
power supplies, wow.
Well, we're already on the Corsair train.
Okay,
My favorite
I think
train.
we need a cart. Could somebody get a cart?
Zach, all the cart, please.
A la carte?
I'd probably say like
Sight.
this guy here.
Yep.
And then we need a power supply.
Okay.
They have Corsair power supplies.
Oh my God, Corsair! Corsair sponsor. Well, it's a 4070 is pretty power efficient. We're doing the 4070 non-TI, right?
I thought we were doing 7000XT.
Oh, we're doing 7800 XT.
Yeah, that'd be a little cheaper.
That price difference though, for 7850 is like kind of ridiculous. That is an E. What does the E mean? E better. We could be totally
Dang,
wrong.
look at
There
the
we're gonna get
length
flamed
on these
for it.
carts.
Why is it so? Yeah, what the
Oh my
heck?
god.
Okay. Could you keep math for us, Zach? Can you keep them?
I don't know if I can.
Can you keep the math for us? Power supply.
80.
Just put 80 bucks.
It is kind of nice being able to grab a lot of the parts yourself.
How much is the
154.
This is already getting too much.
It's gonna be a high. It's gonna be more like 14 to 15. But hey, you know what? We're shopping at Best Buy. We said we're gonna build a computer. It's gonna happen. We want to spend a stupid amount of money in your store.
We already know exactly what we want. You don't even need to help.
You don't need to sell us anything.
What do we need?
We're in no
Just gonna
rush.
go find our case for us. So far, not too bad.
No,
it's
not too
definitely
bad.
not like it was when we were trying to buy the laptops.
Well, definitely, McAllister, if you're watching this, make sure we go back and add up similar prices on Amazon and Newegg so we can get a good comparison at the end. Yep, so, yep, that one, and then we wanted the B650 Oris, right?
Yeah, that'll work.
Yep, that one right
For like
there.
169.
Wait, is that one 169? What's the price on that? That one was 209. Was there one that was?
The B650.
Yeah.
I thought there was one that was cheaper.
Check my bill.
I think the cheapest one's 209 or 219. That one was 209. So we'll get those. We wanted the, do it with RGB or non-RGB? What are we doing? Corsair.
What's the price difference?
It is 10 bucks.
Oh, RGB.
RGB. All right, so the 32 gigs RGB, the middle.
6,000?
Yeah, 6,000. And then that's everything on this one. And then over here,
We need our graphics card and SSD.
we wanted the 7800 XT. I believe that's the one.
And I got the kitchen.
Make sure that's
That's the Merc.
Yep, 7800 XT.
That's the America.
And then we wanted that the 1 terabyte Western Digital, the SN770. Should be everything.
Yep.
Sweet.
Jodo, we should go look at the washing machines for our future house together.
You guys have
All
a
right,
good
thank
one.
you.
Thank you very much. All right, what did we forget is the real question.
I'm looking. CPU, motherboard, RAM. We got everything, right? Yeah.
We got the whole 8, so this should be 8 parts. You know, when you got a cooler, it's 8.
So you remember when we came into the store and we said our budget was $8,000 to $1,000? We
did we
just
spend?
spent $1,783.
Oh. So we spent double our budget, so that's cool.
That's cool. I mean, to be fair, we've done it. We spent $2,000 on the Walmart versus laptop. The Walmart versus Best Buy video where we spent $1,000 at each store. So, you know, it is what it is. Hopefully you guys like our sponsor. And we're gonna go back. Well, we gotta figure out our food situation. Get our food, go back, build the PC, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
All right, guys, we're back from Best Buy, and to go over the parts real quick, we got our Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, and we have a iQOO H100i Elite Cappelix XT to cool our processor. And then we did get this B650 from Gigabyte. It's an Aorus Elite AX board, very nice board, but we did notice this when we got back. Open box, and we paid full price. So I can only assume that he scanned maybe like one of these here, and he just didn't notice the open box. And I'm kind of wondering.
Open it up. Let's just open it up. Let's
definitely
see.
sounds loose.
I need to know if we actually got. Oh boy. Oh.
It says, okay, there's thermal paste on the lane. It's definitely been used.
No. That's excellent condition.
That's excellent condition.
I'm a little concerned here. Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna check the pins real
Yeah,
quick.
check the pins and make sure it's just not absolutely mangled, because at that point, like, you can't really build it.
So yeah, all of our RAM slots are open and they literally have like thermal paste on them. We have thermal paste on the lane, so definitely not a good start. And we definitely have some bent pins.
Oh
That's wonderful.
God.
Can you see those on camera? Like right there, especially.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we probably have a full-size motherboard at PC Bros where we don't do bent pins. But yeah, for now, we'll just have to keep going over the parts, and that's definitely. It's a multi-mistake. For one,
Yes.
that is not open box excellent. That is open box, return back to Gigabyte and get them to fix it.
Yep.
But then for two, the fact that we paid full price for like a new board, it feels like the Amazon special, you know?
I never even, we were looking at that board and I never saw this.
No, so like I saw this when we were walking out, but I thought they slapped like labels on everything when we bought it. That's what I kind of thought happened, but no.
I almost thought I heard the guy too when he was getting, because you asked him for like the motherboard. I thought he said, I'm gonna swap out like to a nicer box or something, or was that something else?
That was for the RAM.
Speaking of the RAM, Corsair Vengeance DDR5, 6,000 megahertz, 32 gigabytes, power supply RM750E, which I don't even know if you talked about already, but the Corsair RM750E, the 7800 XT from XFX, 1 terabyte Gen 4 SSD, and the Corsair 4000D with the RGB fans pre-installed. So,
we ended up paying a total of $1,783 after tax and everything. So definitely a little bit of an expensive build. We'll have to do some price comparison to see just how much more we spent going in person for the convenience. But yeah, we definitely have a pretty big hindrance right now with the motherboard. So we'll probably have to go back to PC Bros, see if we have anything, and then hopefully we can return this board pretty easily. Best Buy is usually pretty good about refunds, at least.
clearly, because this one made its way back.
And it'll probably make its way back again to someone else.
Excellent condition.
Need to be online.
Siri said I have to go online to stop complaining about this. I guess we'll see, yeah, if we have a full-size one. Hopefully we do. We are going to return that other motherboard to Best Buy probably tomorrow. We really just need to get this PC built, so we're going to build the PC with this one. This one's around the same price.
It was $220, which is funny for an X670.
Yeah, for an X670 versus the B650 we got. So we're going to... 229, yeah. So we actually cheaper board for an X670. So we're going to build with that, get the PC put together, and see how it performs, and then we're going to do a little price calculations and give you all an update on how the return went.
All right, guys, we're playing the finals, and we're at 1440p FSR2 balanced epic with dynamic RTX on. Yeah, this can do ray tracing. It doesn't matter if it's AMD or NVIDIA in this case.
100 plus FPS.
Yeah, looking pretty good. Now, I am gonna pre-apologize. I don't think McAllister have the game volume up that loud, but for some reason I just can't turn off voice chat. Another great feature of the finals.
Final said we're broken.
Yeah, I hit him.
Whoa, whoa,
God.
stutter.
Loading in. Mr. Logan.
Nice.
Now I'm gonna get my heals up, get my support looking good, you know, so I have the most points in the team. That's how we roll. My teammate's shooting at me.
Yes. There you go. The right boob.
I hit the one I didn't think I would hit. I'm gonna launch this at him. I think I just caught my teammate on fire.
Ooh.
Big turbo spools. More like dead.
We're like, got him dead.
Got him. Do we have the... Oh no, they already started. Okay. All right, purple started the cash out. We gotta get up here. They broke the zip line, dude. I hate that you can do that in this game. Oh, we're burning him. This dude up here is pissing me off, and I can't freaking hit him. I need to reach in. Oh, we hit a headshot. Dude, cool.
Everyone heal each other. Oh.
Okay, wow. He's like underneath the floor. I really hope my teammates res.
Explosion.
Look, he passed me up. Oh no, Pink got it. How did they get it?
Third place.
We don't ever win these, guys. We don't ever win these.
Maybe one day we'll start a chat thing down there below, you know. Maybe we'll win one of these sometime. But yeah, the finals runs pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. Let's go on to the next game. Such a weird game. Oh wait,
What?
this is, I was about to say it's in the video update, and then I remember this is AMD.
Hold up. What in the holy FPS is happening here? Well, guys, this is a record. I've not seen FPS like this in Warzone.
Is there a cap of 500?
Apparently, and I think we just hit it. We're currently running some performance settings balanced with FSR3 with frame gen on, which is basically what DLSS 3 is known for. FSR 3 now has it, 120 FOV, and yeah, the FPS is it's soaring and flying apparently.
I've just never seen like, well, for one, I've never seen FPS this high, and for two, I've never seen like the milliseconds this low, the response.
It's freaky. All right, well, let's see how this holds up. Casually getting 400 plus FPS. No big deal. Yeah!
It worked.
The drone worked. Are you kidding me? Oh,
Did he have the drone?
Oh! Oh, why did I change guns? No.
He was quick with it.
Where'd you go?
Oh!
Oh!
He's probably laying in a corner somewhere.
Pre-firing. Oh, the pre-firing didn't work. I think I did.
It was him.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! They had a redeploy. Oh my god! I'm done. I don't want this anymore. No! I still like Master Chief. Anywho, that is Warzone, ladies and gentlemen. For some reason, you get 400 FPS now with a PC like this. Absolutely crazy. Let's run some other AAA titles. We'll run Cyberpunk. We'll actually give you a little bit of Halo gameplay. We'll give you 30 more Time Spy. And yeah, see what the simple point is. And then talk about the price performance of this PC buying at Best Buy versus on Newegg, because the price is a bit closer than we thought.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking our Best Buy gaming PC, and it did really well, especially in games like Warzone, which we think just has some awesome new technologies in it with FSR 3, but we did some math, and really not as bad as we thought. We spent about $100 more than if we had gone to Amazon or Newegg for some better deals, and realistically, for the convenience fee, $100 isn't too bad.
Now, yes, we had to deal with the motherboard issue, and hopefully there's a clip before this that shows me returning that motherboard and getting our money back. If not, the editing's gonna be a little bit interesting. But we did benchmark this thing in some other games as well. We ended up playing games like Cyberpunk on ultra settings, 1440p with no FSR, and got an average of 97 FPS. And Halo Infinite at 1440p on high settings, we got an easy 144 plus FPS, and 30 mark times 5, we got a score of 18,521, which is a 9 cent per point score. So really solid all around, and for the price, again, it's not too bad. It's a little bit unfortunate the whole motherboard situation happened, but we should be able to get that rectified pretty easily. And yeah, if you have a Best Buy that has PC parts, the prices are not too bad for the local convenience.
So we hope you guys enjoyed today's field trip. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Now, if you want to get a really good deal on a pre-bought gaming PC, go to PCBros.tech, where you can buy a PC just like this one or this exact one that's already built and ready to go.
And with a 1-year warranty, PCBros.tech. Use code ToastyBros2 and check out to save 2% on your purchase of a gaming PC, gaming laptop, mouse pad, monitor, whatever. There's a lot of things at PCBros.tech. Even Jonah is for sale. See you guys later. Goodbye.